you've heard me talk about today inflation data. We didn't talk a lot about Fed funds. Mortgage rates are actually closer tied to inflation data, not directly to the Fed funds rate. And I think you need to educate your referral partners on that. And so you can be the expert to be able to show them, hey, here's the correlation. Inflation is coming down. We've already seen rates come down from the highs in November as inflation's been coming down. The next show, I'll actually provide you some graphs to be able to articulate that to your referral partners and actually help you present that to your customer. Why is this a good time to buy? Why you shouldn't be afraid of an interest rate right now. Second key, yes, I've talked about this housing market in a mild correction. It is still temporary, and I believe we'll actually see as soon as rates start to come down, maybe here in the next couple of months on mortgage rates, not Fed funds, that we'll actually see prices stabilize. You'll still see a pretty competitive market, but you'll see sellers willing to give a little bit. Maybe you can get a discount point or a buy down. I think you should still have that in your tool bag.
Yeah.
But I actually believe that housing prices are going to continue to remain strong. There's still not enough inventory of new homes coming online compared to the number of household formations. I've got another graph I can show you on the next show as well to kind of back this up. But
Got graphs in your back pocket.
yeah, there's a lot of great stuff coming on the next show. And then finally, buying versus renting. I think that's a good reminder. A lot of buyers are sitting on the sideline right now and say, oh, I'm just going to rent. Well, if you really do the math, and I think there's some tools through it's either Mortgage Market Guide or the on Barry Habib's system that actually shows this buy versus rent. But basically the simple nuts and bolts are buying is still the number one way to create wealth. And with home equity being something like 40% of all net worth for most people that have equity and have any net worth to speak of, renting is not the long-term solution. I think that message to your realtors, to your builders, to your buyers, buying versus renting is still the best way to create wealth.
Love it.